Hello and welcome to our first video.
How to not deflood a bike?
Let's see how we did this.
Okay, so first, even the fuel shut off is leaking. Okay.
Basically everything about the bike is leaking, but
It's a KTM.
it's normal.
So you're seeing professional tools used here.
We did not have the right tools to do that, so we basically just got some. Yeah, you can see it. Professional tools used by me.
So first we're gonna remove the spark plug because the engine is completely filled with gas.
As you can see here, I'm really amused of the view of the spark plug because it's fucked.
This is your daily reminder to shut off the fuel valve.
Exactly. Otherwise, this happens.
Especially if you're running carburetors. And I mean the spark plug was in there for like 5 hours, so it's cooked anyways.
Yeah,
KTM.
I replaced it for it ran like
It's
5 hours.
New one.
Here, let's go. Let's put it in there.
How to drain your wallet fast.
Buy a KTM. Yeah, so I was kind of figuring out how to get the shit out of there. So we just decided to, kind of flip the bike.
As you can see, some of the fuel even landed in the bowl.
I mean, some fuel, yeah. Most of it.
Also, what's cool is the exhaust is also filled with gas.
Yeah, that got burned out later.
It's still dripping. But the pan is not needed here because
We cleaned everything up after.
the floor is absorbing. Yep.
Also good, it's wood, so yeah.
No animals were harmed. Yeah, so he was trying to find OT.
I didn't find OT.
Yeah. Maybe try again.
Yeah, I was getting annoyed, so I just didn't give a fuck about it and just pushed it down and up, down and up.
Now it's on its head, and as you can see,
Yeah, we just flipped the damn bike. I don't know. What should you do else? I mean, like. Yeah, the hawk too.
and as you can see, there was quite a bit of gas in here.
That's just a little bit. Hello.
You can also see there's still gasoline in the car.
Yeah, the carb. No need to remove that. Just flip your bike on the back and everything is okay.
Yeah, and at least you have the bowl beneath it, so
Everything is covered. Yeah.
Maybe the Honda would run on that.
Maybe, yeah.
So we should try that.
In another video, yes. So let's put the spark plug back in, and kind of showing everything.
Later in the video, you're also gonna see the raw sound.
Yes. I sent it a bit.
He's using the best tools to change the spark plug.
I had bare minimum tools, so I had to use it. So
2 pliers is enough for shit you're gonna do.
put it back on.
And then it's
Fixed.
ready for first start.
Let's try this bitch.
It was never a first kick bike, so this is normal.
So I guess I kinda deflooded my bike and everything works. I mean, if it works, it works.
And it's not even smoking that much.
It's kinda okay.
A normal amount.
I mean, it runs.
We're gonna see later that it's actually, even if it looks quite fun, it's still really powerful.
The engine is quite good, actually.
Hopefully someday, or not hopefully, probably someday we're gonna do a rebuild.
Maybe in the future.
Mission successful.
As you see, the mission was completely successful.
In the background, you got also a sneak peek of the go-kart currently not running.
I mean, you maybe saw a shot of us riding the go-kart.
And it also goes hard. It's a 2-stroke 80cc, and it might seem like not that much, but it's completely open and
It runs like a
it
beast.
if it runs.
It-
But it's
yeah.
also a KTM, so it
Yeah, the fuel
never
pump
runs.
is fucked, so...
And also you can use normal engine oil in your 2-stroke gearbox.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
I mean, oil is oil, right? No, don't do that. Disclaimer, do not do that.
It's
I can
not a
do
good
it,
idea.
you don't do it, okay?
We also probably are gonna change that oil somewhere, maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Everything clean, bit of oil on the floor because it came from there, so it's okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's just deeper down in the earth. Like,
So
Same,
the ground will
same.
soak it up sooner or later. Also, don't do that.
Yeah.
It was afterwards dug out.
Yes.
Clearly.
And everything was done by professionals, as you
Yes.
can see.
And
Compression, still good?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
now let's go for a ride.
And enjoy the raw content. See you guys.